I bet you've got one of these McCormick disposable grinders around your house and you just wish you could get the cap off like that. Well, even if it's on and you're trying to get it off and you go on the internet and you find all your different options. We've got our boiling water here. We've got our drill, our hammer. We're ready to pry it off. Or maybe we should throw it in the boiling water. Maybe you should just try to just pull it off. Just try to pull it off. There's just some knurls. Don't try to kill yourself, but pull it off. No. Tools. No. Needed. No. Nope. Yes.
Yes.